Hi guys, today you are watching the pets bed ideas. You are watching a beautiful uh, pet bed. You are watching dog bed, beautiful decorated with the blue color. You are watching a dog bed, pink color. You are watching another idea of the dog bed, beautiful colorful. You are watching a small dog bed, pink color, beautiful colorful curtains. You are watching a big pet bed. You are watching another pet bed using old table. You are watching another blue color, beautiful uh, pet bed idea. You are watching another corner shape pet bed idea. You are watching another pet bed for using the old TV table. You are watching a huge pet's bed. You can you are watching another pet bed with the wardrobe. You are watching double story pet's bed, red color wood based. You are watching another small cute pet bed. You are watching a mm, unique pet bed area. You are watching a fantastic dog house. You are watching another dog house rest area. You are watching a beautiful cute dog rest. Mm, you are watching used tire based pink color dog bed rest. You are watching double story dog. Mm, you are watching another dog house, corner based. You are watching a cat house, small and easy idea. You are watching another cat and dog bed idea. You are watching another idea for your dog and cat. You are watching another dog bed, simple wood based idea. You are watching another dog rest area. You are watching another dog house dog bed. You are watching wood based beautiful dog bed. You are watching another old table using dog bed. You are watching another small dog bed, beautiful idea. You are watching old chair based dog bed and rest. You are watching another idea for dog and